Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the GIFs from a Telegram bot directly onto your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, exporting GIFs has never been easier. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can back up your favorite animated moments in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the new features. Once you're in, navigate to the bot from which you want to export GIFs. You can find the bot in your chat list. Just click to open the conversation. Next, look at the top of the chat window and click on the bot's name. This will open the contact info panel, giving you access to more options and details about the bot. Now focus on the upper right corner of the contact info panel. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This feature is designed to let you save all kinds of media from your conversations, including GIFs. A new window will pop up with various export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content: messages, photos, videos, documents, and more. To export only the GIFs, make sure to check the box labeled GIFs. You can also adjust the export settings, such as the date range or the folder where your files will be saved. Once you've selected GIFs and set your preferences, click the Export button. Telegram will process your request and start gathering all the GIFs from your chat with the bot. Depending on the number of GIFs, this might take a few moments. When the export is complete, Telegram will notify you and provide a link to the folder where your GIFs have been saved. Open the folder, and you'll find all your exported GIFs neatly organized and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully exported all the GIFs from a Telegram bot on your PC using the new update. This method is quick, efficient, and requires no extra software or technical skills. Enjoy your collection, and don't forget to keep your Telegram app updated for more handy features in the future.